Hi guys, so obviously I'm back with another iPhone video, and this time I want to decorate my phone, the back of my phone, not necessarily my phone case because this is all on my phone, not on my phone case, but this is what people call these videos, so that's what I'm calling them. And now you see me zooming out because or else the frame will just be the bag, but this bag is all the stationery I got from Korea, so every single sticker you see me using will all be from Korea. So if you're interested in where I got them, you can go watch my Korea vlogs. I'm not gonna reintroduce you to these stickers, or maybe I will, who knows. As you can tell, my voice is broken. It's because I live streamed for more than 2 hours today, and
I don't know, I just yelled into the mic or something.
But my voice is broken. But anyway, I'm still gonna film this video because I really want to redecorate my phone. So as you can see, I'm picking out stickers, but I'm not actually gonna end up using all of these. Obviously, I'm just gonna see which ones fit the theme. And the theme I'm going for today is a pink theme. As you can see, in the beginning of the video, the card I had before was in blue/orange, and you can see it now. So I want to switch to a different color theme this time. And as you can tell later, the color I picked this time is pink because I really like pink. But a problem I faced was that I wasn't sure pink would look good with the purple phone. But anyway, here's me going through all my photo cards to see if any cards would fit the theme. But because each pack of cards are themed by their one comeback, so if the comeback is not pink themed, then it has a very low chance of finding a suitable pink card. For example, NCT here, I'm not gonna find a pink card in there. So even before I started this, I knew it was either gonna be 17 or IU or Twice, and obviously I ended up choosing Twice because the Feel Special comeback is just very pink. So here I am having a dilemma about which card to choose because my bias is Sana, but the card of Sana, which I have on the back of my journal, is purple, and I didn't want to do a purple one again. And then my second bias is Jihyo, which is also not a very pink card. So I really had a huge dilemma. I know this is such a weird thing to say about a phone case and a photo card, but I had a dilemma. So then I ended up choosing Nayeon because her card is very pink, and she is also one of my favorite members of Twice, but let's be honest, I like all of them. But that's who I ended up choosing. And then I'm showing you my dilemma, my two choices. As you can see, the card with Sana is a lot darker than the one with Nayeon. And the photo card of Sana in the style of the Nayeon card I chose didn't really look as good as Nayeon did in this photo card, so that's why I chose Nayeon. I can always change it if I want to, but this time I really want a pink theme, so I chose Nayeon. So just now you saw me really struggling with taking off the iPhone 11 case. That's because that's the official Apple case, and they made it really tight, and I had to think of a technique to take it off. It's so hard, but I figured out the technique and I was able to take it off, just not on camera because the angle is not right. But trust me, I took it off by myself. I didn't ask for help, okay? So then this part of changing your phone's appearance really breaks my heart because you waste so many stickers that you really like, because obviously the stickers you put on your phone are the stickers you really like, right? But when you peel them off, some you can keep because you stick them on a plastic surface or something and you can just keep. But when the sticker is really thin or paper you just can't keep them, and you end up getting so heartbroken. Especially the dinosaur stickers I really like, but it has come to a time where I have to change my phone's appearance because I've gotten bored of it. So some sacrifice some sacrifices had to be made. So now I'm placing the card on my phone. I don't like to place it super straight. I just think that looks weird, and when you place it not straight, it just gives it some pizzazz. Okay, so now I'm choosing some stickers. Most of these stickers are from the recorder store from Korea, and I decided to choose the pink theme because of this set of stickers. It's so cute, and look at the rabbits, look at the cats, look at the strawberries. That's so cute. And this ended up being super fitting because Nayeon is a rabbit, as we all know. And I'm about to sound really pretentious here, but when I'm decorating my phone case, I don't like to put tons of stickers. Like, I don't like to cover my entire phone with stickers because I think that looks too excessive, and I'm all about that balance. So that's why I don't stick too many. But maybe in your perspective, the amount I sticked was still a lot, but yeah. Either way, I like to take a balance between in the amount of stickers I stick, whatever that means. So yeah. So while I'm slowly sticking these stickers on, let me talk about the spiritual experience I had in Korea while buying these Korean K-pop photo cards. So I didn't actually go to the store on purpose. Like, it wasn't like I researched where to get these cards. We went to a place to have our money exchanged, and on the way I noticed this place that had a lot of cards and just photos and merchandise hanging out on the street. And I was like, wow, should I tell my family to let me get them, because they will be bored to death. Like, I could spend hours in there, but my entire family is not very interested in K-pop as much as I do. Maybe my sister a little, but not as much as I do. So I was having this inner struggle of whether I should stop my entire family after we got our money to spend our first money on the K-pop cards. And I actually don't remember if I stopped there, because it was such a spiritual experience to me that I don't fully remember it. But I also didn't want to seem like that tourist that only goes to Korea for the K-pop. Like, I didn't want to seem like that tourist that doesn't care about the culture, that only cares about the oppa and 언니 and anything K-culture, and not really about the traditional side of Korea. Because I went there I didn't go there to like buy merch. I just came across the store, okay? But obviously, since I got it, I obviously cared about K-pop, at least a little. So I went there, right? And I stand quite a lot of groups, but I only bought 2 packs of cards. I got 17 and Twice, which are the one boy and girl groups that I enjoy the most, because I didn't know the quality of the cards or the designs of the cards and whether I would like them. And also, I didn't want to seem like a crazy fan that buys the entire store the first time they visit. So I bought 2 cards, and then I went back to the hotel, and then I instantly opened them. I instantly opened them the night we had dinner, and the first chance I got to sit down, I opened the cards. And then I was like, wow, these are freaking beautiful. Like, I don't even know if I'm more obsessed about the person on the card or the design of the cards. Like, the talent is unreal. So then a few days later, maybe 2 days, I went back to the same store and bought a ton more cards, as you can see from the stack that is on my table right now. And even though I knew that I wouldn't use every card, or I knew the cards themselves don't really have a purpose or use at all, the experience of not really looking for something but then finding something so satisfactory that you go back for a second time is so surprising and amazing to me that I consider this experience spiritual. Like, I know this is kind of like over the top, but you know, I'm exaggerating, right? So yeah, I really love these cards, and I want to thank whoever designed them and let me have the most perfect phone cases like every stand should have. So that's the end of my story, and that's coincidentally is also the end of my decoration of my phone. Like, this is very simple compared to other videos you might have watched about decorating their phone, but I honestly think this is the best style for me. Like, I don't like to use a lot of stickers, but I'm not saying which one is better though in general. I'm just saying for me this is good. Like, kind of simple, not a lot of colors, just a theme, a clear theme. This looks so good, but it doesn't look perfect with the purple phone, but what can we do? I low-key think the previous design I had with my phone was better, but I love pink, so I'm gonna like use this design at least until the end of February, the month of Valentine's Day, the month of pink. So yeah, so now I'm laying everything out for a thumbnail, and here's the final design. And if you're also decorating your phone, remember to put the stickers inside your phone because you don't want to lose any of your precious stickers. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment if you enjoyed this video, and ask me any questions if you have any, and subscribe if you want more content like this.